Eric here with Project DIY. Remember, subscribe to the channel. If you would, hit the like button, hit that notification bell. Another thing with our wood boiler, I know I haven't gotten some videos on this stuff here lately, but it's that time of year, it's fall time. If you can't see behind me, all the leaves on the ground, a lot of bare trees. But back to this here, we are going to be putting some rust inhibitor in our water, okay? What this does, this is important because these things cost a lot of money, and obviously have water in there, water with metal. They usually have a metal jacket of some sort. It's going to create some rust corrosion if you don't, just when it's sitting there. Usually when it's moving the water, it's not a big deal. But in the summertime, you just don't want bare water sitting in there. So, and you don't want to leave it empty either. That's not a good idea either. Well, I'll just drain the water. Well, that's not a good idea either. So, what we have here is some rust inhibitor. Let me see if you can see that there. I'll put a link in the description. I bought this off a company off of eBay. And it's based off how big your unit is, how much you need. Mine needs a full gallon. That treats like 500 to 600 gallons. Mine's a 500 gallon unit. My dad's on like 125. His only needs 64 ounces. So I ordered him one as well. He'll measure his out, put his in. It makes it turn like a light pink, kind of look like a pink lemonade. All right, here's just a quick view of what that looks like. Just some runoff I had. So it's just a pinkish color. So that's about what it's supposed to look like, but do not drink it, because if you do, this might happen. Just saying. Anyways, you can buy test kits for it if you want to get down to the nitty-gritty and the exact science of what it is and what you know exactly. But you just want something. You just want plain water. You'll be able to tell if you can have any valves on there, like what I do. You can release a little bit, see what it looks like. As long as it looks good, you can add to it each year what you need to, so on and so forth. So if you have a wood boiler, make sure you get some of this stuff. Like I said, I'll have a link in the description. You can go order you some. That way your wood boiler lasts you a long time. Like I said, these are very expensive. You don't want to say, oh, well, it'll last as long as it lasts. Well, you can do that, and you're going to be buying another one. So, get you some of this. Just a little quick tip for you if you do have a wood boiler. So get you some, put it in there, protect your unit, makes it last longer, and takes that much more off your mind. You don't have to worry about it not going bad, and it's protected. Why hire a guy when you can DIY? Thanks for watching.